It is early on Sunday morning, April the 19th, and I just wanted to bring you all into my crazy art studio and share a few things in reflection with you concerning art and the brutal energies we've been living through. Some energies that are just, oh my God, off the charts, fantastic, amazing, and other energies that have really just put us in a blender, an emotional blender, and just crushed us. There's just no other way to put it. And, I am making it through my way, the best I know how. And I will be coming to all of you with a much longer energy update. But I just want to walk you through what's been going on in my art studio, because I think that will give all of us a little bit of reflection on what we have been living through the last week, 10 days. So I am beginning with one of my more beautiful pieces that has come through. I call this Inner Moons. So as we have come through this absolute brutal blender of energies, I did land in a few places where I was like, oh my God, there's all of these inner moons that we are dreaming of. When things get really tough, sometimes we go to those inner places. And to me, this is dreaming of inner moons. We're just going through a brand new new moon as we have gone through some of these crushing conjuncts with Mercury and Mars and Neptune and Venus in Aries. And sometimes we're able to land in this space. That's pretty beautiful. And then sometimes it's like a freaking explosive disaster, right? And we're trying to figure things out. We're trying to figure out what's going on here, right? But sometimes we just don't know because there is a lot going on. And then in the middle of it, then we land sometimes in this very beautiful, awesome space. But a lot of times we have to traverse, things that are going off and that are kind of exploding and coming out of nowhere. But then, some very cute, emergent, lovely things are going on right there. And then maybe we're sorting through things right here. And, maybe it's coming into view. Maybe it's coming into view, but we're not quite sure. And eventually, occasionally, we land in places like this that are just, oh, poof, chef's kiss, just, really beautiful and valuable and incredible and amazing. And, when we're in the middle of it, sometimes this is about how we feel, like what the fuck am I doing here? We're not quite in focus. We don't quite have all of our color. We're going to have a good attitude about it, but we're just kind of nuts, right? And then eventually, sometimes what begins to come through is like this, incredible, amazing, color and balance, proportion, curvature, golden ratio, all in balance. But, sometimes it does take going through, this, or, this isn't too bad. And, and this, and this, and then the whole thing, to perhaps be able to land and enjoy, something that is more like this, or something that is more like this. And if you notice, yes, I have been MIA because I have been living through the brutality of this too, but I will be coming to you soon with a review of the landscape we've lived through, some forecasting coming up. So we come through this and we have a few days to gather ourselves, I believe. And then astrologically, it looks like the solar system turns into a freaking racetrack. I mean, it's just kind of bananas. So I will be coming to you with that. And Spirit Team, just a little bit of a teaser, Spirit Team has been talking to me about, they want me to start talking about the new economy, the energetics of the new economy and the new money. And so we're going to begin to lay a bit of a framework for that. And I feel like, my magic of somatic money has always kind of been on the back burner, and it feels like spirit team has begun to have me bring that more front and center, like body-based money relationship and the new economics, the new money that we're going to be working with internally, energetically, which is very, very cool. And on that note, I have just completed the first sketch of the digital workshop for the removing elite families out of your financial energy field. So if you want to pick that up, that is available for you. I will be talking more at length about it in a future video, but I do want to let you know that that is available. So all those readings I have been doing, beginning to land some data, beginning to land some information. I have a cohesive mini workshop report on that coming through. So you can go ahead and pick that up and begin to work with it. If you do want a reading, a pendulum check reading with me, you can still pick up one of those, and you can email me, email me, dana@somaticmoney.com. I will be returning to you fairly soon with a much longer video and update. And so in the meantime, if you find yourself feeling like this, just know you're sorting through this. And you're sorting through this, and maybe you're beginning to land a little bit. And just know that the golden ratio matrix, it is there with balances of color and curve and like some pretty beautiful things. And just know you're gathering yourself in your inner moons. So that's what I've got for you for now. Thank you for being here. Make sure you keep walking forward to meet those miracles along the way. And mwah! I will see you in my next video.